What's up?
Hey everybody, I'm getting my hair washed right now by LocNation Stan. I'm about to pin his page in the comments. And boom. Ooh.
See that?
Yes, Lord.
Boy, you don't deserve to have that.
Okay, so we'll use the clarifying shampoo first. Alright.
Alright.
Now this is my own line. Right?
Yes.
Okay. Let me know what you think. First of all, you got
Wu-Tang? Yeah. Well, Wu-Tang? Yeah.
First of all, the smell.
Thank you. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Describe it to the people. Describe it to the people.
The smell. It's like fruity, florally, kinda. It smells beautiful.
That's the rosemary. Oh, I said rosemary. Rosemary melon.
Rosemary melon. So I was close. That's herbs and fruits.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Presented by
Are you not living as dangerously as you used to? Ask your bartender if Good Ranger IPA is right for you. It's been clinically proven to increase rangerousness, so you can get back to living dangerously again. Second, include whole ham, spontaneous whole tooth, and create more Good Ranger.
In the nation's largest city, the vicious and violent members of the underworld are hunted by the detectives of the organized crime control. These are their stories.
I hope I'm not shaking the camera too much. But y'all just gonna get a taste. If you want to see the full experience, you're gonna have to check out my YouTube channel once the video is edited. Now I'm filming right now. Everybody say hi to the YouTube. Alright, you guys.
See y'all in a few.
Yeah, I'll come back when I'm getting my hair twisted, so I'm not being shaken like a washing machine.
Alright. Unless when you get on the bad side, there's not much I can do for you. It's not what you think. You're my boss. You tell me what I didn't see, I don't see it. I will protect your secret this time.
It breaks down a lot of stuff.
Yeah, I'm gonna need to cop me a bottle tomorrow.
The KO will be on this plan, but I can't make calls over the incoming and outgoing text.
Now, if I'm free to be encrypted texting after every
Because you know, when people ask me all the time, like, what shampoo do you recommend? I always be like, because I just don't have a favorite shampoo. So I don't.
Well, let's hope this one makes it.
Right. I hope so too, because I would love to recommend them. Yours.
Like a lot of time and effort has gone into this. Like literally, like we're talking about like 4+ years. Cause last time
I know
when I was in
how long it takes
Atlanta,
to produce products, okay?
yeah, because even when I was in Atlanta, I was like, yo, I'm working on my own product line, and part of the reason why I don't do a lot of videos is like, all right, cool. I don't want to be doing a video and then like everybody's like, oh yeah, I use design essentials, or I'm like,
Yeah.
and then they're not giving me any money. So why am I gonna?
Yeah, that's true.
You know what I'm saying?
I understand that.
So that's why I figured like, all right, when I start doing videos, hey, what product do you use? Mine, right here. There you go. Swipe up, go get it.
Word.
You know? Yeah, well, your hair is dope as hell though. I know it's the hard work. Sheesh.
Thank you.
Was it 12 years?
11.
See? I'm pretty good at that type of stuff. I'm usually either accurate or off by a year. You ever go back and look at your old, like the second year, third year in?
Sometimes it pops up on my recommended videos on YouTube. I take a peek, but I don't like watch the whole thing because it makes me cringe.
Why? The growth in, or just the way you was before?
Just the way I was before, like.
You're a different person now?
Absolutely. I mean, I look at myself and I'm like, oh my gosh, I was so cute. Like, I was so young and cute or whatever. Now I'm old or whatever. But, yeah, I was just real lax on my old videos. Like, it was just like,
your personality.
like, no, not even like. I felt like I didn't feel like a lot of eyes were on me.
Okay.
So I was like loose with my tongue, you know what I'm saying?
Oh,
you know
okay,
what I mean?
okay, I got you. But then once you started catching on people's radar, then it's like, all right.
I gotta be more mindful of what I say. Yeah. Because I've definitely had to like delete a couple of videos.
Really?
Yeah.
Like what?
I'm not gonna say on camera.
Well, you edit.
Yeah.
I don't want no letter in the mail talk about like yo like.
Cease and desist.
Yep. So I just stay in my lane. Like, you know, and if it's not my lane, I try to create my own lane.
But I mean, y'all's brand is undeniable.
Yeah.
Like, Malcolm was saying y'all almost at 250K. Like, come on.
Yeah. That's why, like, I kind of fell back and kind of like just planned. Like, I guess you could say planned the way I'm gonna expose myself to people. I guess you could say. That's why, like, Malcolm likes to be on camera. You know what I mean? He has the personality for it, so it's like, all right, cool, yeah. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That looks really good too. Like right now, it feels like squeaky clean. So next one is we're gonna re-moisture.
Yeah, so that was the clarifying shampoo.
Yes. See that? You still got some soap right here. Let's get that. Looks really great.
That's good. Well done. Do you know the difference between routine sunset?
And the good thing about it is like all of them, like when you like the rosemary melon, all of them have the same scent. You know what I mean? And then once you put the oil on there, the oil is the scent. It was slightly increased, so that you know what I mean. And then I'm working on like a after styling spray.
Oh, okay.
Something is a little like this, a little bit stronger, lighter oil, something that you can just spray on your hair, especially if you smoke or whatever.
Yeah.
But the girl who's doing it, she's a chemist, so she's working on. I want it to be like odor eliminating instead of just odor masking.
Right.
So
Okay.
yeah, so that's why like it just takes longer to do.
Yeah.
Because even like with these, my clarifying shampoo for the grapefruit one, the first batch, the lime, the lemon, the acidity kept breaking the formula apart. So
That makes sense.
So it was like really runny and watery and stuff like that. So I'm like, that's not what I want. So but I'm happy with it.
I'm glad you finally got it.
Yeah. And the thing about it too is like the main thing to me was like not only the ingredients, keeping it as all natural as possible, but making it smell completely different than what else is out there.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because I've come across a lot of lavender, a lot of tea tree, peppermint. Yeah. Ready?
Alright, Snake.
Yes, sir.
Alright, DC. Why you watching the game? Hey, you behind. I'm almost done. That's episode 5. That's the finish it. We're gonna watch it. It's the same thing. I think they're like the same person directed it.
What you have in your hands looks like an ordinary cell phone. It is not an ordinary cell phone. It is, in fact, a hard-to-shake device developed by our involuntary guest, Mr.
Malachi, we talked about this. Hey, is it really necessary that I'm handcuffed to his desk?
You aid and abet transnational criminal organizations by creating hardened encrypted devices, thereby allowing them to traffic mass quantities of cocaine and God knows what else, so yes.
Okay.
Okay. Jeff, what's the deal with the phones? Everything runs through the calculator app. Open the calculator and you will find the options for text messaging and closed loop system.
The user pre-selects a set closed group of individuals who can communicate with the device.
Water's gonna be a little cooler, right?
And it's all encrypted? Indeed.
That massages everything.
Alright, not yet.
First of all, every iteration of this phone
You'll see.
we hold to the truth.
You're not getting there.
The beautiful part is, every message sent by any user of these devices will be passed to a task force server where it will be decrypted and the Delaware Community real time. So we get BCC on every text message that the KO sends to their secure phones. KO and any other criminal organization that uses them. These guys all get their phones from the same vetted and trusted dealer.
How are we supposed to get these phones into the hands of said criminal organizations?
Now we can see.
And straight detectives. Like the gorgeous lady said, they get their phones from another distributor.
This guy, Admiral Marcoux, he supplies phones to the KO market killers and anti-criminal organizations. What we have to do is convince them that their current encrypted phones have been copied. How do we do that? Exactly. And set up Malachi, creator of the tech, as the new sole distributor.
Eddie? Yep. I told you, man. What did I tell you? Oh, we service. Customers. Okay? No, not okay. You have any idea?
It should look like two sizes.
There. Anywhere. It's not
You
here.
think so?
Yeah.
I got no cameras.
Nah, man.
I'm not overreacting.
I think you could get away with it.
Because I still wear like
This before.
the other earrings. Like, let me show you. Like, what's up this?
My father. Okay? It's gonna be all right. Don't worry.
I try to make it. Well, I try to make it to the mall to get them like something to wear for tomorrow. No luck.
No.
I saw a nice outfit at I was gonna get it at Express, but they have my size, yo.
Oh, damn.
So I gotta
It couldn't be helped if
walk
that's
into
the
my closet.
Yeah.
I didn't tell them even know he was right, and I'm not who I say I am. What are these guys up there?
I kept getting funny there to do your hair.
You
Finally.
made your point without endangering the entire operation.
There's no point to be made. Luca challenged me. What was I supposed to do?
What you're supposed to do as an undercover is know who someone is before you mess up his face. And I wanted to think you were confident.
You got a stapler?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Move the poison. We'll check you into urgent care.
You won't ready to tell cops that I'm not dead because it's me. Why don't you show it to me?
You do show. It's highly likely you're on the lead rolled up in a glove. Who's the nurse?
See the water difference?
Yeah.
Versus the first one?
Yeah.
Hey, how are you? Oh, what's the thing?
I'll tell you after.
I'm due for a color. I need a color.
What color? Am I gonna do your color?
Black. Huh?
The whole thing?
Yeah.
Black. What do you do? What you use, like a semi-permanent, or what do you normally use?
I use permanent, but I guess I just don't do a good job because
I wouldn't.
the brown always comes back, like the red comes back.
You should do a henna.
Any chance you make it today?
I was told henna doesn't really stay. It doesn't-
Health-wise, because if you've been doing black permanent all this time, you know what I mean? You don't want to.
I mean, it's been 11 years of dye.
Okay, that's what I'm saying.
Early.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Yeah, okay. That's it. All right. just gotta do it by sections. Here we go. Section number 1.
Where's Kathleen? Where's your grandma?
I usually do like two dyes a year now.
Really?
Yeah, I stopped cooking.
I thought didn't you have like a bronze at one point or something like that?
I had like bronze, blondish, I had reds, all shades of red.
Oh yeah, I remember the reds.
Yeah.
See, that's the thing is like for your hair to be able to withstand all of that, like shoot.
I think it's my aftercare.
Yeah.
I think so.
You keep your hair moisturized.
Yeah, and I use conditioner. A lot of people are afraid of conditioner.
I use a conditioner spray. I don't like using conditioner in the hair itself a lot of times.
Yeah.
Because I don't advise everybody to use conditioner because some people don't know how to wash it out. And then it just gets embedded in the middle of the lock, and then over time it just contributes to buildup.
That's true.
So what I do is I do a conditioner kind of solution so that when I spray it on the hair, it coats the hair with the right amount of conditioner. Because like, you know, when you put conditioner in the hair, you're not supposed to rinse it all out. It's supposed to coat the hair. When you have natural hair, it's easier to do that. But with the locks, once it gets embedded inside, so by the time you squeeze it all out, the hair on the outside didn't get any.
Okay.
You know?
I can dig it.
And when I said that
I'm gonna need 2 big towels for you, sheesh. Let's see. Coming up. Hold that for me. I'm gonna grab another towel. You could just.
Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and remember to subscribe. You can always visit www.KeishaCharmaine.com for hair growth products, hair accessories, and more. But don't leave just yet. Check out my featured video and my latest video.